Microsoft OneDrive tips and tricks. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a couple of tips and tricks that can help you in organizing and saving up your files on Microsoft OneDrive. So let's jump right in. First off, we need to understand what OneDrive is and how we can use it. Well, Microsoft OneDrive is a cloud storage tool which allows you to keep files, photos, videos, and automatically back up your devices. You can see that it has a backup and protection feature for desktop, phones, and Xboxes. You can access this from anywhere and rediscover and share your memories. The best part is that this is not limited to one type of device. You can use this for Android, iOS, or desktop. And the best part is that with this, you have cloud storage as well as applications that can help you in categorizing your Microsoft OneDrive account. Now let's move forward into OneDrive. This is what the OneDrive application looks like in my current account. You will see on the top left, you have different Microsoft accounts. Then on the left, you have a plus icon, which allows you to upload folders, files, or upload complete Word documents, Excel workbooks, or text documents. Then you have a simple files section, which shows any of your currently stored files. Then you have a photos section that displays any photos that you have uploaded to your OneDrive. And after that, you also have a sharing tab. So if you go ahead and click on the shared tab, this will show any shared files that are shared with you or by you. You have two filters in this. So shared with you are files that are held in other people's OneDrive storage but are shared with you. And by you, it means that this file is held in your storage space and you're sharing this with other people. Then you have a recently deleted tab, and below that you have your people. So it can be any person that you have shared your files with. Now, for easy access of photos, I like to upload all of my photos here and easily back up my photos. So this is tip number one. You can actually set up your phone camera upload/backup directly into OneDrive. For this, you can go into Photos over here and open this up in your mobile device, whether it's Android or iOS. And then over here, you can see different filters and you can select photos from Pictures or OneDrive. So you can actually select the Pictures tab and this will display all pictures that you have. You can automatically back them up on OneDrive. Now, the next thing you can do is scan your documents. So if you're someone that wants to directly upload their documents, you can click on New and Upload. And if I click on File Upload over here, let's say I have some file, and I'm just going to select this. And once I upload my file, this will be uploaded as a simple Word. But if I don't have my files in soft copies, I can actually use OneDrive on my phone and take a photo, and this will automatically scan it as well. This allows you easy access to your files, and instead of having them saved as photos, they would be saved as proper scanned PDFs. Moving on, you can also share and collaborate using OneDrive. So let's say I have my candy bar company and I want to share this file with someone. So this is on OneNote and I can just click on the share item option. And once I click on the share item option over here, this will open up the send link option. Now, I have a couple of different things that I can do whenever I'm sending a link. If I want this to be editable or if I want this to be viewable only, and I can also set up sharing links so that our link expires after a certain time period. We can also share the link with specific people or anyone that has the link. When you share a link with specific people, this allows, even if the link is shared with other people, they are not going to be able to access the document. Once you do that, you can just copy your link and then your shareable link is ready. Now, this is for sharing and collaboration. And the best part about OneDrive is that if I use Word on my browser, for example, I search for Word over here, and we have a free online version of Word or MS Word. We can click on Open Word over here. Now, whenever you're using the cloud version of Word, PowerPoint, or other tools, then what you can do is that you can share it in real time. So if I'm making a collaborative file, all I have to do is I'm going to use my account, and once I create my account, I can share that Word document. Now, OneDrive allows you to save that document in real time, and you will be able to edit it not only by yourself, but you can click on share on the top right, click on copy link, and I can share this link with anyone, and once I do that, they can also edit the document. Additionally, if you want to manage your preferences further, so I'm going to go into Home, And if I want to share an expirable link, so if a link should expire after a certain time, then I can also do that. To do this, simply go into your editing settings and go into the gearbox. Once you do that, you're going to click on more settings. Now in your more settings, you have the ability to set a expiration date, and you can set up your expiration date. This is a feature currently limited to the premium version of OneDrive. You can also set up password protected links as well. Moving on, we also have password protected share links, and we also have a personal vault. So you can actually go into your folders and build your own vault. And with that, you're able to upload your documents in a safe environment where you know that your OneDrive will not be able to be content within that would not be able to be shared with anyone. Additionally, you also have version history. So if you go into any files, you will have the name, modifications, file size, and sharing. Then within that, you will also be able to see version history. So if I open up a Word document, once I do that, I can go into File and click on Version History. And then for anything that I've uploaded into OneDrive, I can view all of the previous versions. So I can see the edits, I can see all the previous versions of my document. Moving on, you also have files on devices and OneDrive. So whenever you're using OneDrive as a tool for backups, you can choose to upload everything or sync everything by downloading the OneDrive application, and you can set it up as your backup. Then your device will automatically back up your data on the OneDrive cloud while still keeping the files or the pictures or the videos in your device. This allows you easy access from everywhere as well as secure storage. You can also embed your files on websites using OneDrive. Whenever you need to upload a file on a website, sometimes you want to just embed it, and for embedding, you need to have your picture or whatever file it is uploaded somewhere. So for that purpose, you can go on ahead and upload a file into OneDrive and then embed it using a link onto your site. And you can also restore your OneDrive at any time. Now, if we take a look at the pricing of OneDrive, we have a free version. This allows access of 5 gigabytes of cloud storage and 15 gigabytes of mailbox storage. This works with Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. And you have OneDrive photo and file backup across all your devices and an Outlook, email, and calendar. Then for only $1.99 per month, you also have 100 gigabytes of cloud storage and 100 gigabytes of mailbox storage. For $7, you get 1 terabyte of storage, and for $9, you get 6 terabytes of storage. So these are the monthly billings. Yearly billings are going to be higher, definitely. It's only $19.99 per year for the Microsoft 365 basic plan. These are for home, and there are also business plans available. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.